Umbrella can't stop the rain, but can make you stand in the rain. Confidence may not bring success, but give us power to face any challenge in life. Good morning, my dear online students. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous online class, we have discussed about chemical properties of iodoform and methods of preparation of CCl4. In today's class, we shall discuss about chemical property of carbon tetrachloride. In previous class, we read about reduction and hydrolysis of CCl4. I repeat, after reduction of carbon tetrachloride, chloroform is obtained, and after hydrolysis with steam, phosgene is formed or carbonyl chloride is formed. Now next, third chemical property of CCl4 is reaction with HF. Reaction with HF. When carbon tetrachloride reacts with HF in presence of antimony pentachloride, then freon is formed. Freon is chlorofluorocarbon compound which deplete ozone layer. We shall discuss about freon in next online classes. So it is carbon tetrachloride and it is HF molecule. When carbon tetrachloride reacts with HF in presence of antimony pentachloride, then freon is formed. Here, two molecules of HF are participate, so two molecules of HCl is formed. Next, fourth chemical property of carbon tetrachloride is with dichloroacetylene. With dichloroacetylene, it is CCl4 molecule and it is dichloroacetylene. CCl4 is react with dichloroacetylene after addition reaction. Here, after addition reaction, 111 2 3 hexachloro 3 2 5 and 6. I repeat, 111 2 3 3 hexachloropropane is formed. Here reaction is completed in presence of dry AlCl3. I repeat, CCl4 is react with dichloroacetylene after addition 111 to 333 hexachloropropane is formed. Here reaction is completed in presence of CCl4. During the reaction, one pi bond is cleavaged and two sigma bonds, one and second, first and second. Two new sigma bonds are formed. Now next, fifth chemical properties of carbon tetrachloride. It is very important reaction. Reimer-Tiemann carboxylation. Reimer-Tiemann carboxylation reaction. Very important. In previous class, we have discussed about Reimer-Tiemann formylation. So, next chemical properties of CCl4 is Reimer-Tiemann carboxylation. When CCl4 and phenol are heated with alcoholic KOH, salicylic acid is formed. So, it is phenol molecule, it is carbon tetrachloride. When treated with alcoholic KOH, then salicylic acid is formed. So it is salicylic acid. After removing of 4 molecules of potassium chloride and 4 molecules of water, it is salicylic acid. It is electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. In Reimer-Tiemann formylation, chloroform is used and salicylaldehyde is formed. Here, CSO group are present in salicylaldehyde. So these are the structure of salicylic acid and salicylaldehyde. It is salicylaldehyde and it is salicylic acid. Next, sixth chemical property of chlorofluorocarbon is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis with aqueous KOH. Hydrolysis with aqueous KOH. When CCl4 reacts with aqueous KOH, then potassium carbonate is formed after hydrolysis. Very important. I repeat, when CCl4 reacts with aqueous KOH, then potassium carbonate is formed after hydrolysis. Next point, usage of carbon tetrachloride. Usage of CCl4 or pyrene or CTC, carbon tetrachloride. First use is, it is used as a solvent. Second is, it is used as a fire extinguisher. Third point is, it is used in dry cleaning. Fourth is, it is used for the manufacture of freon and salicylic acid. Fifth point is, it is used in the form of insecticide. Sixth point and last, it is used in the form of laboratory reagent. Very important. Now we take some questions for exercise after ending of haloalkane. Very important question. First question is for exercise 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Alkyl halides are represented by which formula? Solution is 1 degree Rx is represented by RCH2X. 2 degree Rx is represented by R2CHX and 3 degree Rx is represented by R3CX. Now Next question for exercise. Give the general formula of following. First is monohalide. Second is allylic halide. And third is benzylic halide. So, solution for first. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 when one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom, then monohaloalkane or alkyl halide is obtained. So general formula GF of monohaloalkanes are CnH2n plus 1 plus 1X. Example CH3Cl methyl chloride. Here small n is equal to 1. So monohalide haloalkane is methyl chloride. Now next second. General formula of allylic halide is CnH2n minus X. Very important for your competition paper. CnH2n minus 1X. We know that CH2 double bond CH single bond CH is allylic group. Here 3 carbon atoms are present, so small n is equal to 3. For example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 Cl allylic chloride. Allylic chloride. Here halogen atom is chlorine. Next, for third, general formula of benzylic halide is CnH2n minus 7X. For example, C6H5CH2Cl benzylic chloride. Benzylic chloride. Now next question for exercise. Give 2 examples of alkylene halides and alkylidine halides. Very important. So solution is when two hydrogen atoms are removed from vicinal carbon atoms in a carbon chain, then bivalent hydrocarbon radical is obtained. It is called alkylene halide. Very, very, very important. For example, CH2CH2. Here, every carbon have one chlorine atom, so its name ethylene chloride. Ethylene chloride. It is a example of alkylene halide. Another example of alkylene halide is propylene bromide. Propylene bromide. Similar, when two hydrogen atoms are removed from one carbon atom, or we can say same carbon atom in carbon chain, then bivalent hydrocarbon radical is obtained, which is called alkylidine halide. We have discussed about it in our previous class. So for example of alkylidine halide, it is ethylidine chloride. Here two chlorine atom are attached to that carbon, so it is ethylidine chloride. Now next, second example of alkylidine halide is isopropylene chloride. It is isopropyl group. So finally, it is example of alkylidin halide. Its name is isopropylene propylidin chloride. Next question for exercise. Give two examples of vinylic halides, allylic halides, and benzylic halides. Very important question. Solution. First is vinylic halides. CH2 double bond CH Cl, vinylic chloride. When one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group, then another example of vinylic halide is formed. So another example of vinylic halide is 1,2,3 1-chloropropene. Now next, second, allylic halides are CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 Cl. It is allylic chloride, and when one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group, then another example of allylic chloride is obtained, 1-chloro-butene. Now next, third example, benzylic halides are, it is benzylic chloride, and another example of benzylic halide is very important, 1-chloro-1-phenyl ethane. Now next question for exercise. Why iodoform has appreciable antiseptic property? Solution is due to liberation of free iodine. Now next question for exercise. I hope you liked this video. Please do share and like all videos. We shall meet again tomorrow 9:30 a.m. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.